Welcome back to Zainab's Creative Studio, where we explore the future of digital art. Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI tools every digital artist should know in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools can help boost your creativity and streamline your work. Number 1. MidJourney. For those looking to turn simple prompts into stunning visual art, MidJourney is an AI that generates images based on text descriptions. It's perfect for getting inspiration or creating quick concepts. Number 2. DALL 3 by OpenAI. With DALL, you can generate high-quality, photorealistic art in seconds. Just give it a few words, and it will bring your imagination to life. Number 3. Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is integrated into tools like Photoshop and Illustrator. It helps artists work smarter with features like automatic background removal, smart cropping, and content-aware fills. Number 4. Runway ML. This tool is great for generating creative video effects. It's especially useful for motion designers and VFX artists looking to create unique AI-generated effects. Number 5. Deep Dream Generator. If you're into surreal or abstract art, this AI tool lets you apply dreamlike transformations to your artwork. It's a favorite among artists experimenting with new styles. These are just a few of the amazing tools available to digital artists today. Let me know in the comments which one you'd like to try. Thanks for watching Zainab's Creative Studio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital art tips and tricks. See you in the next video.